Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It is 7:28 here in the middle part of the country on Thursday. It is October 28th, 2021. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. Here in the U.S., getting down to the final stages of Joe Biden's tax plan, it looks like most of the scary elements have been pulled off the table. Really, let me go down to this chart here from Bloomberg. Looks like 15% minimum corporate tax. Okay, not too bad. Eliminating the step up in basis on inherited assets, that's probably out. That's the one that's really going to affect most of my clients, most wealth here in sort of the $5 to $100 million segment, right? You're looking at how do we pass that wealth onto the next generation? If there's a step up in basis, that's great. If not, it does create some challenges. So, of course, that being a really important key detail out. Really not looking like the administration is going to get much done before election season starts, quite frankly. Normally it starts a year before the election. So starting here in November, really going to be key to see them get some things passed if they want to while they have the chance. The ECB did not do anything here this morning. They continue to buy assets despite some inflationary pressures. Really, it looks like inflation is starting to taper a little bit. Maybe we reached peak inflation fears a couple of months ago. Starting to see prices cool, not sort of going down, but the rates at which they're going down, sort of the second derivative of that coming down a little bit here as we see some of the real world issues resolve. ECB thinks it's still fairly transitory, going to continue to be the story throughout the rest of the year. Last but not least, Taco Bell. Really strong quarter. Yum Brands up about 11% in terms of earnings. Really a nice job by that corporate governance team. Here's the thing. As we've had another spectacular earnings season, as I was away for a week and a half, we reached all-time highs in markets. The fundamentals came roaring back to replace the inflation fear as the overwhelming narrative in the market. As companies continue to make great strides, continue to make great earnings, to do very well, that is a lesson for all of us to follow profits. If you follow what companies are doing, if you follow how they are operating and how they are meeting and exceeding challenges proposed by their customers, they normally have a very good investment track record. If you want some additional information throughout the week, feel free to follow me. As always, I'm on Twitter. It's OKC CFA CFP. Until then, I hope you have a very nice Thursday. I'm out.